Hi, Namaste. Welcome to That Awkward Yogi. This is day 4 of 30 days yoga challenge. I am Payal. I am not a yoga expert or fitness influencer. I am just curious. It's 8 in the morning because yesterday was a bad experience doing yoga in heat. Today I'll be doing 20 minutes power yoga workout. Well, I am little scared. I don't know how to go. But that's what it is about, right? Not knowing, just going with the flow. So here I am. If you are a beginner or just watching it for fun, join me in this awkward journey. I followed 20 minutes power yoga session by Cassandra. This video is in 4x speed so that you don't have to watch me struggling in real time. I'll also link the video below so that you can try at home. Okay, day 4 done as well. Kudos to me. By the way, it was intense, but I loved it. Just moving my body and feeling that heat, I loved it. So that's it. See you on day 5. Bye. Namaste. And thanks for watching.